Hi, my name is Archie from NoteForms. Do you know that you can format your form from right to left, which is really applicable, especially when you're using languages such as Arabic, Hebrew, or Persian? Let me show you an example. So here you see it's already formatted to right to left, and you already have the name filled out, the email, the date, and the notes as a sample right to left. And you can click submit. And here you go. If you go to your form and go to the Notion database, you'll see that the entry has been created. Notion forms are great. It's built in, straightforward, and easy to use. And it will allow you to collect single entry data. However, Note forms would take you further by allowing you to format your forms to right to left, which is really applicable to languages such as, for example, Arabic, Hebrew, or Persian, and a lot more. And this will make your form more personalized and engaging for your users. So now let me walk you through on how to enable right to left format to your form. So here we're going to create a new form. And on the next page, we have the option to select an existing Notion database, use AI to generate the form, or create from scratch. For convenience, let's use AI and enter a form that we've already prepared. So what we'd like to have is a right to left event registration form, and we will use Arabic or Hebrew. So we have name, email, event, date, notes, and a header. And let's click generate and wait for AI to build the form for us. So 6 seconds, it's structuring the form. By 8 seconds, it's already organizing the form layout now. Okay. 15 seconds, setting up the form structure. In less than 20 seconds, we already have our form created. By the way, it's been done by AI. As you can see, we already have the languages. But for you to know, you can go to design and just click right to left. And you'll see it's going to be format from right to left. After that, you can click publish form. Next thing that we need to do is select the Notion page where the Notion database will be created for us, and then click save form. And as easy as that, there you go. You already have your form created. Hopefully this video helps, but if you still have questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us via our live chat support and we will be happy to answer your questions. Again, my name is Archie and thank you so much for supporting NoteForms.